In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. Then click on Permission Manager, and after selecting any feature that you wish to manage, tap on one of your apps. In my case, I want to check and change camera access to my Firefox. Now click on one of those options, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow, and go back. As you can see, after that, my camera just gained access to this device's browser if I'm using it. You can always select any app, and instead of selecting one of those options, just scroll down to click on See All Permissions. Then manage all of those for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!